Adding an NGL link to your Instagram story is simple. In this video, I'll show you how to add the link and then share it with your followers. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, open up the NGL app, and then what you want to do is tap on this copy link button. And that will copy the NGL link to your clipboard. After that, open up your Instagram application, and I am going to create a story for the purpose of this video. And then when you are on this screen, tap on this sticker icon at the top center of the screen. And then go ahead and tap on this link sticker. So now all you have to do is paste in the NGL link that you copied. So tap and hold your screen, and then simply tap on paste. After you paste in your link, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. And now you can upload this as you would when uploading an Insta story. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.